Mason and Courtney. Here's your home, February 20th. Like the roof is on, the siding's on, and we'll walk inside, see what's happening. Your big garage. And we'll walk in through the mudroom. And so it looks like the electric is being installed, and they may be done with it, or they may have one inspection left, I'm not sure. But I will be in touch with you early next week to set up your pre-drywall meeting. It looks like that should be one day this coming week. Look out at your wonderful deck. Then we'll head upstairs and see what's going on up there. All right, so starting in the master bedroom, you can tell because of that two-level ceiling. And into the master bath, you can see the water for the two sinks, the shower, and your closet. Here's the upper hallway bathroom. Another bedroom. And the third bedroom. So, coming along, and as I said, I will give you a call early next week and we'll set up that pre-drywall meeting. Thanks, guys. Give me a call if I can help.